Very good morning, students. How are you? Welcome to our class of mathematics. In the last previous video, we have completed the exercise 13.6, and I hope you have done all the questions in the fair book and you all understood the concept of the cylinder, right? Because in the last exercise 13.6, we have done the question of the cylinder, and the two question, that is the question number 4 and 5 that were remaining. So I hope you were able to do all that questions very easily, right? So afterwards, today we will deal with the questions of the cones, right? The next solid of the topic, that is the cone, and today we will discuss about the volume of the cone, because surface area that we have done, there were the two types of the surface area, chord surface area and the total surface area we have done in the classroom, right? So I hope you all are watching this video and taking care of the studies and yourself also, because this is the time of corona, so you have to be very safe at your home along with the studies, right? So be conscious about the studies, make regularity, and do the practice mathematics every day, right? So let's start the topic. Today's topic is the volume of the cone, right? So this is the exercise 13.7 part 3, and this is the mathematics of class 9, right? Okay, so after the introduction, just come to the point. First of all, we have to know about the volume, right? Volume of the cone. So for that, I have written the formula, that is the volume of the cone, right? What is the volume of the cone? Yes, you can see on the screen, that is the volume of cone, right? Volume of cone, that is the 1 upon 3 pi r square h. You can also see the figure of the cone, right? And the dimensions which is regarding to the cone, that is the height of the cone, which is represented by the small h, and a small r representing the radius, and the small l, that is representing the slant height, right? And the value of pi, you know that 22 upon 7, and if in the question the value of pi is given 3.14, so we can also use that value 3.14, right? And we should know the formula of the slant height, that is the slant height, that is the small l. You can see over here, I have written on the screen, small l, that is equal to under root l square plus h square. So I am sorry for that, here l square is the wrong value, we need to write the r square, right? So यहाँ पर हम थोड़ा correction करेंगे. So here I have corrected the value of L, that is the slant height, that is the r square plus h square, right? So you should remember this formula, that is of the slant height. Okay, now we will deal with the questions, right? So there is the first question of your exercise, that is the 13.7, right, or 13.8, right? Today we will deal with the 13.8 exercise, right? So sorry, 13.7, not the 13.8, that is the 13.7, right? यहाँ पर हम 13.7 का first question deal करेंगे. So what is the question number 1 of the 13.7, right? So you can see on the screen 13.7. 13.7 में आप देखेंगे, you can have the first question of the cone, and I have also prepared the diagram regarding to that question, right? So in the question number 1, you have the two questions, that is the question number 1 and this is the question number 2. So what they are asking for, find the volume of the right circular cone. यहाँ पर जो cone है उसको right circular cone भी कहा जाता है, because in the cone you can observe the two right angle triangle. You can see this is the two right angle triangle, this is the first one, and on the opposite side this is the second one, right angle triangle. इसीलिए we can call it as the right circular cone also. We can simply call it as cone, and we can also say the right circular cone, right? So we have to find the volume. Volume is also known as the capacity. Suppose if we have the conical solid, so how much capacity, how much volume of the cone we have to find it in this question, right? So first case we will take. So in the first case you can see that the radius is 6 centimeter, right? So we can write the radius as, r as equal to 6 centimeter, right? This is the 6 centimeter, and the height which is already written over here, that is the 7 centimeter, and you also have this formula, volume of the cone, right? Volume का formula भी हमारे पास, so simply we can put the value volume of the cone, that is 1/3, right? The value of pi, that is 22/7, right? And the radius is 6, so we can write it as it 2 times, because 6 into 6, right? We can also write the 36, right? So 6 into 6, 36, and here is the 7, right? So you can see there may be the cancellation, 7 is cancelled by 7, right? 7 जो है वो 7 से cancel हो जाता है. I can change the color, right? So 7 is cancelled by 7, and this 3 can cancel the one of the 6, 3 to the 6, right? So the denominator 3 and 7 are cancelled out, right? And here the remaining is, यहाँ पर क्या बचा है हमारे पास, 22 is remaining, and the 2 is remaining, and here the 6, right? So after that we have to multiply the 6 and 2, so we will get 22 and 2, we will get 44, and this 44 should multiply with 6, right? So what would be the answer? यहाँ पर हम इसको रब कर देते हैं, because I need space, right? तो आप इसको साथ में नोट करते जाएंगे, right? So if we multiply it by 6, so 6 4 जा 24, right? The carry is 2, right? And 6 4 जा 24, right? 24 plus 2, that is the 26. So 264 centimeter cube. The volume is always into the centimeter cube or the meter cube, right? So 264, that would be the answer, right? We can also check the answer into the textbook, right? So we can check the answer, that is the 264 centimeter cube, that is the right answer, right? Now we will take the second case, right, which is given here, right? यहाँ पर हम second case लेंगे. You can see the radius, the value of the radius is 3.5 and the height is 12. So we have to change the dimension over here into the diagram. यहाँ पर आप देखेंगे इसके diagram में आपको dimension change करना होगा, right? So the formula will be same. We need to change the radius and the height, right? So here we can write the radius, that is radius as equal to 3.5 centimeter, right? जो कि यहाँ पर दिया हुआ है, and height को हम यहाँ पर change करेंगे. We can change the height, that is the 12 centimeter, right? That is 12 centimeter, right? It is given in centimeter. So simply we can have the formula over here, and below that we can write the value, that is 1/3, right? The value of pi, that is 22/7, and the radius is 3.5. So 3.5 we can write 35/10, right? And another one, that is also 35/10, because it is a square, so we can write it 2 times, and here the height is 12, right? Now we have to divide the value, right? So we can see that 3 can cancel the 12 4 times, right? 3 can cancel the 12 4 times, and 7 can cancel the 35 कितना टाइम करेगा यहाँ पर 5 टाइम, राइट? तो 5 7 जा 35 होता है, एंड हियर अगेन वी कैन कैंसल आउट द 35 and 10 by the 5. 5 7 जा 35 and 5 2 जा 10, and here again you can see that 2 can cancel out the 22 by the 11 time, right? And here the 4 2 जा, right, and 4 5 जा, right? So almost the lot of values are cancelled out. तो यहाँ पर क्या क्या वैल्यू कैंसिल हो चुकी है और क्या क्या हमारे पास बचा है उसको हम लिखेंगे, राइट? सो वी हैव 11 multiply 5, right? And then multiply here 7, right? This 7, यहाँ पर 7 बचा हुआ है, and there is the remaining is 2, right? ये 2 की हम बात कर रहे हैं, right? And on the denominator you have 5, right? Denominator में 5 बचा हुआ है, so we can cancel out this 2 5 also. तो यहाँ पर ये दोनों भी कैंसिल हो जाएंगे, and the remaining value is 11, right? 7 and 2, right? So we can write 11 multiply 14, right? You can see 7 2 is 14, right? 7 2 is 14 हो जाएगा, and 11. So what the value we will get, right? So we have some space over here by rubbing this, right? So we will get, यहाँ पर हमको जो वैल्यू मिलेगी वो मिलेगी 154, right? 154 centimeter cube, that is the volume of the cone, right? तो ये हमारा यहाँ पर आंसर होगा. So the question number 1 is completed over here. I hope you can understand easily. Now we come to the question number 2, right? This is the question number 2 in front of you. Question number 2 also contain the 2 questions, right? Question number 2 also have the 2 questions. You can see one is over here and the second is over here, in which the radius and the height both are given the different value, and in the second scenario we have the height that is 12 centimeter and the slant height that is 13 centimeter, right? Here the slant height is given. Here the slant height is given, and by using the formula that is we can find the height, right? यहाँ पर हम height find कर सकते हैं, right? तो यहाँ पर आप देखेंगे थोड़ा यहाँ पर थोड़ा printing mistake भी हुआ है. Okay friends, here in the front of you, you can see that we have the slant height and the radius over here, but according to the formula we need to find the height first, because according to the formula we need to find height, but here the slant height is given. So by using this formula, right, which is given over here, right, but by the printing mistake you have the r over here, so I have corrected, that is the h, right? So height of the cone, ये जो height है इसको हमको find करना है, right? तो आप इसको देखिए यहाँ पर ये जो height आपको दिख रही है ये हमको find करना है. So by using this formula we can find the height. So what we can do, L square, L is the slant height which is 25, so 25 square that is equal to 625, and the radius is 7, right? So we have to subtract the square of the radius, that is the 7 square 49, so we will get 576, and 576 is the perfect square of the 24, right? So 24 centimeter, that is the height of this cone, right? We are looking for the first case, right? In the second case we will have the different height, right? समझ में आ रही बात? तो यहाँ पर आपको second case हम अभी नहीं कर रहे हैं, हम यहाँ पर first case कर रहे हैं, right? So now we have got the height, right? यहाँ पर हमको height मिल चुकी है, तो height हमको यहाँ पर कितना मिला है? That is the 24 centimeter. Here you can see 24 centimeter is the height. Now simply we can put the value, right? 1 upon 3 multiply 22 upon 7, similar, right? And the radius is 7, so we can write 7 into 7, and the height is 24, right? Now we are able to put the values because we have the height, right? So 7 is cancelled out with 7, right? I can change the color also. So 7 is cancelled out 7, and 3 can divide the 24. 3 ones are 3 and 3 8s are 24, right? So what is the remaining values are here? There is the 22 is remaining, right? There is the 7 is remaining, yes 7, and this 22 is remaining, right? And the 8 is remaining, right? So we have to multiply these 3 values. Okay friends, 22 into 7 into 8, ये वैल्यू हमको यहाँ पर मल्टीप्लाई करना है. सो आफ्टर मल्टीप्लाइंग द 22 and 7, right, you can see on the screen we will get 154, and if we multiply 154 and 8, right, because 8 is remaining over here, so 8 would be here. So 8 4s are 32, carry is 3, right? Carry कितना होगा? 3 होगा. 8 5s are 40 और 3 43, carry is 4. 8 1s are 8 and 4 12, right? So 1232 centimeter cube, that would be the volume of this cone, right? इस cone का जो volume होगा वो कितना होगा? 1232 centimeter cube, right? So the first question we have done, right? Now we will go for the second questions, right? Second question के लिए अभी हम यहाँ पर जाएंगे, तो second question की value भी आपके सामने है, यहाँ पर देख सकते हैं आप. यहाँ पर second question की जो value है वो भी आपके सामने दिया हुआ है, right? We have to rub this value, right? So here the radius we have to find, right? Slant height is given, right? तो हम इसको यहाँ पर लिख देंगे, ठीक है? Okay, so come to the second height, that is the 12 centimeter, and the slant height that is 13 centimeter, right? Height 12 centimeter है और slant height. So again by using the same formula, right? Formula जो होगा हमारा, because here हमारे पास height already है जो कि हमको formula में रखनी है. We do not have the radius. Radius हमारे पास अभी यहाँ पर नहीं है, तो radius निकालने के लिए हम यहाँ पर क्या formula use करेंगे? For finding the radius we need to use the formula r is equal to L square minus h square, right? So you know that what is the L square, right? L is the slant height, so L is 13, right? So how we can write this? यहाँ पर हम इसको कैसे लिखेंगे, right? Under root 13 square होता है 169, right? Minus height is given, that is the 12, so 12 square that is equal to 144, right? So 144 हो जाएगा, 169 and 144 अगर हम करें, so we will get under root 25, right? We will get under root 25. So here the radius would be 25 is the perfect square number, so the radius would be 5 centimeter, right? Radius कितना हो जाएगा, 5 centimeter हो जाएगा. तो यहाँ पर radius हमारी होगी 5 centimeter, right? तो यहाँ पर हम इस value को note कर लेंगे, radius is equal to 5 centimeter. So after getting this value, we put the value of radius into the formula, right? Now we put the value, right? So how it would be, 1 upon 3 multiply 22 upon 7, right? Multiply radius would be 5 into 5 multiply height, that is 13, right? तो इस तरीके से हम यहाँ पर वैल्यू रख देंगे, right? वैल्यू रख देते हैं यहाँ पर. तो सॉरी, हाइट जो होगा 13 नहीं होगा, हाइट होगा 12, राइट? सो आफ्टर डूइंग दिस व्हाट वी कैन डू, 3 कैन डिवाइड द 12 4 times. 3 can divide the 12 4 times, and the remaining value is here you can see 25, right? 25 multiply with 4. So 25 multiply with 4, that would be give us 100, and 100 multiply with 22, right? Because 22 is remaining value over here, right? So 22 and 100 कितना हो जाएगा, 2200, right? So simply we can write the answer, that is the 2200 centimeter cube, right? So here the volume of the conical vessel, that is the 2200 centimeter cube, right? So 2200 centimeter cube ये हमारा आंसर होगा. इसको हम चेक कर सकते हैं, right? तो चेक करने के लिए यहाँ पर हमको कहा गया है कि इसको हमको लीटर में कन्वर्ट करना है. वी हैव टू कन्वर्ट दिस वैल्यूज इनटू द लीटर, राइट? प्रीवियस क्वेश्चन में भी जो आपका आंसर आया था 1232 सेंटीमीटर क्यूब, उसको भी आप लीटर में कन्वर्ट करेंगे. सो टू कन्वर्ट दैट वैल्यू इनटू द लीटर, सो यू कैन सी दैट 1000 से हमको इसको डिवाइड करना पड़ेगा. सो प्रीवियस क्वेश्चन में हमने देखा कि यहाँ पर ये जो फर्स्ट वैल्यू हमने जो ली थी उसमें हमारा जो सेंटीमीटर क्यूब वॉल्यूम कितना था, 1232. सो इट शुड बी डिवाइडेड बाय द 1000 लीटर, बिकॉज 1000 सेंटीमीटर क्यूब दैट इज इक्वल टू 1 लीटर, right? So we will get this answer, right? Now in the case of the 2200, right? So students, in the case of 2200 upon 7, right? So we have to divide it with the 1000, right? So we will get 11 upon 35 liter. So how it is possible? You can see here the 0 is cancelled out with 0, right? And this 22 and 10, it is divided by 2, so we will get 2 11s and 2 5s, and you can see 5 7s 35 and 11 will be as it is, right? So हमारा जो वॉल्यूम आया था by mistake, there were the volume is 2200 divided by 7 सेंटीमीटर क्यूब आया था, उसको हमने यहाँ पर 1000 से डिवाइड करके यहाँ पर जो वॉल्यूम है उसको हमने लीटर में कन्वर्ट कर लिया है, राइट? सो आई होप कि क्वेश्चन नंबर 2 भी आपको क्लियर हो गया होगा, right? Now we come to the question number 3 of the exercise, right? This is the question number 3. So friends, now in the question number 3, you can see the height of the cone is 15 centimeter. You can see in front of you there is a cone and the height that is 15 centimeter, right? This is the height, right? Slant height and height both are different. The height is also known as the vertical height. If its volume is 1577 centimeter cube, find the radius of the base, right? And the value of the pi would be 3.14, right? यहाँ पर हमको वॉल्यूम ऑलरेडी दिया हुआ है. We do not need to find the volume but the radius, right? And the value of pi, which is not 22 upon 7, that is 3.14, we have to use it. So you can see that clearly in the solution. The height is already written over here and the volume is given, and we also have the formula, right? So simply let's start the solution. We can write 1 upon 3, right? 1 upon 3 multiply 3.14. So 3.14 we can convert into the fraction, right? 314 divided by 100, right? Because after the decimal there is the 2 place. यहाँ पर आप देखेंगे तो 2 places हैं. And radius we have to find, right? And the height is given 15 centimeter, right? And the volume is 1570. तो 1570 जो है उसको हम यहाँ पर रख देंगे, राइट? इस तरफ रख देंगे हम इसको. एज इक्वल टू साइन जो आपको दिख रहा है उस तरफ रखेंगे यहाँ पर, राइट? इसको आप यहाँ पर इस तरीके से लिखेंगे 1570 एज इक्वल टू, इस तरीके से आप लिखेंगे इसको, राइट? सो हियर व्हाट वी कैन सी, इफ वी कैंसल आउट द 15 by 3, right? So that would be 3 5s are 15. So it is cancelled out 5 times, right? And if we cancel out the 5 and 100, so we will get 20 over here, right? If we break the 100 into the 5 pieces, so we will get 20, right? And again, so you can see that 15 is completely 0, and here this 3 will be also 0, right? So now we have the 314 and the 20. So we can also divide it by the 2 times, right? So 2 10s are 20, and here we will get 157, right? So on the left hand side and right hand side, you can see that here is the 1570. So 157 is also here and 157 is also here. So simply what we can write, r square as equal to r स्क्वायर एज इक्वल टू, ये जो 10 है ये क्या होगा, इसके साथ मल्टीप्लाई हो जाएगा, क्रॉस मल्टीप्लिकेशन हम यहाँ पर करेंगे. सो यहाँ पर इस वैल्यू को मैं यहाँ पर रब कर देता हूँ, एंड अगेन आई कैन राइट ऑल दिस वैल्यूज़. तो किस तरीके से मैं इसको लिखूँगा, द रिमेनिंग वैल्यू, आप भी मेरे साथ जो हैं सिमिलरली यू कैन राइट अलॉन्ग विथ मी, राइट? सो वी विल गेट r स्क्वायर, द फाइनली द रिमेनिंग वैल्यू वुड बी 1570 मल्टीप्लाई विथ 10, and it is divided by 157, right? So you can see 157 and 1570, it is cancelled out by the 10 time, right? This is the 10 time, and we know that r square is equal to 10 into 10, that would be 100, and 100 is the perfect square number. If we remove the square from this side, right, so we will get under root 100, and under root 100, you know, 100 is the perfect square of the 10, right? So here we have got the radius, that is the 10 centimeter. यहाँ पर हमारी radius कितनी आ जाएगी, 10 centimeter, right? So this is the solution of the question, right? This is the question number 3, and now we will move toward the question number 4, right? यहाँ पर हम question number 4 भी कर सकते हैं. तो question number 4 अगर आप देखेंगे तो question number 4 किस तरीके से होगा. So students, the question number 4 is in front of you, and this is the diagram of the question number 4. And if the volume of the right circular cone of the height 9 centimeter is 48 pi centimeter cube, right? So this is the volume is given, right? The capacity of the cone is given, and this is the height, right? Find the diameter of its base, right? यहाँ पर हमको diameter find करना है. Volume is already given and the height is already given. We have to find the volume diameter, right? तो diameter find करने के लिए we have to find this radius, right? Radius को अगर हम double कर देंगे, if we double the radius, so definitely we will get the diameter, right? Because जो radius होता है, radius को हमको double करेंगे तो हमको diameter मिलेगा. Diameter यानी क्या होगा, the length, right? यहाँ से लेके यहाँ तक जो लेंथ है उसको हम डायमीटर यहाँ पर कहते हैं, राइट? तो डायमीटर निकालने के लिए यू ऑलरेडी नो व्हाट इज द वॉल्यूम एंड द हाइट, सो दिस वैल्यूज आर सफिशिएंट फॉर दैट, एंड वी ऑल्सो हैव द वैल्यू ऑफ द पाई. सो व्हाट वी कैन डू दैट, वॉल्यूम ऑफ द कोन इज गिवन, दैट इज द 48 पाई, राइट? 48 पाई, एंड हियर द फॉर्मूला इज 1/3 मल्टीप्लाई पाई, एंड रेडियस वी डू नॉट नो, but we know the height, that is the 9 centimeter. So here you can see that on the left hand side and right hand side you have the pi, so pi is cancelled out, the pi, right? And here you can see that this 3 can cancel out the 9 by the 3 time, right? So the remaining value is 48 r square and this 3, right? So simply what we can do, all the values are cancelled out and we have the remaining 48, right? And this 48 is divisible by this 3, right? So यहाँ पर क्या वैल्यू हो जाएगी, आप इस तरीके से इसको लिखेंगे, right? मैं इसको फिर से लिखता हूँ. सो जो वैल्यूज़ कैंसिल हो चुकी हैं उसको हम रहने देंगे. यहाँ पर हम कैसे लिखेंगे इसको, आर स्क्वायर एज इक्वल टू 48 divided by 3, right? Because this 3 will come into the denominator of 48. So we know that 3 can cancel out 48 by 16 times, right? 16 3s are 48, right? So you know the 16 is the perfect square number of the 4. So here the r square is equal to 16. So if we remove this square, right? So I will get r is equal to under root 16. And under root 16 is equal to 4 centimeter. So 4 centimeter is the radius, right? 4 centimeter जो है वो हमारा radius है, right? अगर इस radius को double कर दिया जाए, so definitely we will get the diameter, right? तो इसके पहले मैंने जो formula लिखा था वो लिखा था आपका diameter, that is the double of radius. So we can write here d, that is the diameter, which is double of radius, right? So here we will put the value 2 into 4 because the radius is 4, so we will get 8 centimeter. 8 centimeter is the diameter, right? तो ये आपका आंसर होगा यहाँ पर. So students, this is the question number 4 and there is only the one question is remaining in this exercise, that would be question number 5. So that would be for the homework. जैसे कि मैं हर दिन आपको homework देता हूँ, वो homework में आपको करना है. एंड आई होप कि ये जो क्वेश्चंस है वॉल्यूम ऑफ कोन के, ये आपको बहुत अच्छे तरीके से आ गए होंगे और इसको आप बार बार देखिए, रिपीट कीजिए. आप कॉपी पेन लेकर मेरे साथ यहाँ पर वीडियो को देखा कीजिए. तो जो मैं यहाँ पर डायग्राम बना रहा हूँ उसको आप नोट कीजिए. जो भी आपको स्क्रीन के ऊपर क्वेश्चन है या जो भी वैल्यूज़ है या जो फार्मूला मैं लिखता हूँ वो आपको नोट करते जाना है. सो ऐसा समझिए कि हम साथ में स्टडी कर रहे हैं तो आपको बहुत अच्छे तरीके से समझ में आएगा. राइट फ्रेंड्स, सो आज के लिए हम इतना ही रखेंगे एंड इन द नेक्स्ट वीडियो वी विल मीट विद द एक्सरसाइज 13.8 दैट वुड बी रिगार्डिंग द स्फीयर एंड हेमीस्फीयर. राइट, तो स्फीयर और हेमीस्फीयर के फार्मूलाज भी जो हैं आप थोड़ा उनको आपकी जो बुक है ना, यू हैव द समरी ऑफ द योर बुक right of this chapter, so you can see the formula of the sphere and hemisphere. Definitely I will give you the formula in the video also, right, and you will have the PDF of these questions, right. जो आज मैंने questions आपको कराए हैं क्वेश्चन नंबर 1 से लेके तो 4 तक और क्वेश्चन नंबर 5 जो आपको होमवर्क में दिया उसका सभी का आपको PDF जो है that would be available on our school application, so definitely you can write into the fair book properly. Right, so just understand it. This chapter is very interesting, right, and it is very important as the examination point of view. So just keep watching, keep learning, and keep enjoying the mathematics. Thank you very much for watching this video. Have a nice day.